Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you a really easy way that you can up your conversion rates with Clickbank products as an affiliate. If you're promoting products as an affiliate of the Clickbank marketplace and you want to do one key thing that can really improve your conversion rate on the actual sales. So what I mean there, I know I'm telling you how to suck eggs, but so it's glaringly obvious. What I mean is so you can send less people to the sales page and make more sales, so a much better conversion rate. Really simple thing to do. I'm going to tell you how you should go about it for best effect and how simple it is. So I hope you enjoy the video. Also, do check out the link below and you can join the free Clickbank challenge. The page will look like this. It's totally free to join. You can watch the video to see everything that you get inside, but quite simply, it will give you a completely free step-by-step video course that will show you how to make sales with Clickbank. So let's say you're watching this and you're completely new, or let's say you've been about for a while but you can't seem to get all of this fresh in your head in a step-by-step format. This challenge will really help you because it will take you through everything from picking a product, setting up the emails, setting up the funnel, and also driving traffic. And if you follow it, you'll make some money. So really brilliant for beginners and brilliant if you need a refresh, and even if you're advanced, okay, even if you've been around Clickbank and you're just looking to see how I set it up and the easiest way to make sales as an affiliate, in my opinion, I think you enjoy it. So do get in, it's totally free to join. Go to the page below, click this button, watch the video, and put in your email address and you'll get the first video, and then you will get subsequent videos sent to you every day for 10 days. It's a short course, but 10 days packed full of content, okay? So I hope to see you there on that. And in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can up your conversion rates with Clickbank products. So this will really help you. Here we go. So how do you up your conversion rates with Clickbank so you're having to send less people to make a sale? Quite simply, a big shout out to Jim. I'm not going to say his second name in case he doesn't want to be identified by the internet webs. But Jim gave me this idea. Jim sent me an email and he actually asked a question around this topic, so I thought it'd be really good. This is basically how you can increase your conversions, and what that is done through is bonuses. Okay, now it is no mistake or no random chance that a lot of marketers give you a lot of bonuses, and that is for a psychological. If you want to see the actual reason, there's the psychology of influence, I think that's what it's called, by a guy. I've got to get you the name now. Sorry guys, looks like I need to buy a memory book. It's called Influence, the Psychology of Persuasion. It's a really good book. It's by a guy called Robert Cialdini. Is that how you say his name? But it's really good. And I remember one of the things in there, it's brilliant. Anyone that's marketing anything online or offline should read that book. But he mentions bonuses and why people actually add them onto things in that book, and it's because they're seen as more valuable. Okay, if you're getting more for the same money, it's seen as valuable. So quite simply, this is what you can add to your marketing. But before you rush out and do it, I'm going to tell you the best way to do it to make sure that you stay in line with Clickbank, and the best way to set it up. So for this method, you would need to have a landing page. Aweber do them free now. If you've got your email system, Get Response do them free. Lead Pages is brilliant. That's the one I use for all my business. Really good. But you just need a landing page. You could get a domain name if you're promoting using a domain name. And what you want to do is this. I know this is a bad picture, but I'll just guide you through it, okay? This is a bonus page. So what you would do is you'd have your funnel set up. I'm not going to talk about funnels in this video. If you're interested in like going more in depth into this, picking a product out, setting a funnel up, writing the emails, what to put, how to set it all up, do get in on that challenge below because it will really help you, and then you can incorporate this once you've got all set up. But assuming you've got some form of funnel set up, the only difference would be is that instead of just sending them straight through to an affiliate link, you would send them through to a bonus page. And at the top, you would make it very clear: order today and receive your unique bonuses. It's very important to make sure that they're unique, and it's also it's very important to make sure that they know that they're unique from you. And the other thing that you want to do to make sure that everything's above board and just to be cool is actually make the bonuses unique. Now, if you don't like creating content, I'll give you some ideas for bonuses, but if you don't like doing it, you could go to Fiverr and get someone to do it for you. You could get some PLR and rewrite it, and so on, okay? But you definitely want to make sure that the bonuses aren't everywhere, and you want to make sure that they're unique. The second thing that you must make sure that you do is make sure that the bonuses are actually in line with the product. I know it sounds simple. I'll give you a quick example. I picked this product out on Clickbank, the Lean Body Burn, okay, which is a weight loss thing. So what you could do that would make your offer unique is say, when you order the Lean Body Burn, you will also get my free 5-day video series that shows you the best warm-up exercises to use to speed up your weight loss. Okay, so what you want to do with your bonuses is always make sure that your bonuses complement and give them something that either speeds up the result or is very congenial to the product. Okay, there's no good, like, if they're gonna, I know it's obvious, but just to go through it, if they were going to buy a weight loss guide and you said you get a free bonus, exactly how to run a 4-minute mile in 3 minutes. Okay, it doesn't really, although it's in the same ballpark, like weight loss, running, that you don't know whether they're runners. So make sure that the more you can make it closer to the product. Okay, so if it was an actual diet plan, you might give them a free diet plan. So the Lean Body Burn, and that's going to work a certain way, and it's going to give them a diet plan. But you might give them a free keto diet, or you might give them something that improves their sleep so they can lose weight quickly, or you might give them a hydration guide so they're staying hydrated with water, or you might give them recommendations on the best scales to use. Okay, anything that goes hand in hand and anything that's of value, very, very important. The other thing is, when you're setting up the page, this is how I recommend you do it. So make sure that they know that they're exclusive and the bonuses are exclusive, and then all you put is purchase whatever the name of the product is, and you will also get the following only from this page. And then bonus 1, you describe what it is. An easy way to describe your bonuses is to say bonus 1, the miracle weight loss plan, and just describe it. Tell them what it is, what it will do for them, and that's it, because it's just a bonus. Okay, bonus 2, title, what it is, what it will do for them, even bullet point it. Bonus 3, and so on. Okay, so I've put 5. You could do less or you could do more. The more the better. Also, if you can, try and mix it up a bit. Try and make your bonuses so you could make bonus 1 a video guide, and you could make bonus 2 a PDF. You could make bonus 3 something like your eating calendar, so you lose weight, a special calendar or Excel sheet set up for you, telling you exactly what to eat to maximize the results from the Lean Body Plan. Okay, so you're always referencing back to the product because it will go hand in hand with it. And then you put only available here, simply order below and get your free gifts, and then the call to action will be click here. When you order the Lean Body Plan, you will receive. Now, what you'll also want to do, which I highly recommend, is number 1, make sure that you get some sales before you do this, for this one reason. This will increase the conversions from the product no end, because what you can do is, once you've made sales, once you've got 5, 6, 10 sales, you can get in contact with the product and tell them that you want to set up this bonus page, and get them to make you up a special page. Okay, that is something I've done personally that works really well. Or if they don't want to set up a special page, you can get them to set you up a special thank you page so you can put your bonuses on it, or you can just let them know so that people can contact them and get the bonuses that you're offering. The only reason I recommend that you do that is because then you don't run into any problems when people don't receive their bonuses and so on. So I highly recommend to use this method. It definitely increases conversions. Definitely if you're selling your own products and not on ClickBank, your own products as a vendor, as an actual product owner, always put bonuses on where you can. And ideally make sure that you're making some sales first, because you want to make some sales first. You don't want to do extra work. Make sure that you're making some sales first, and then go into the bonus plan by actually contacting them and saying, look, I'm making sales for you, this is my ClickBank ID, and I'd love to sell some bonuses or give some bonuses. So I've set up this page. Can you make me up a special thank you page? Or even better, can you make me up a page I send them to, and it can have the bonuses already on there? And you will find that as long as you're making sales for them, they will do that. I've done that plenty of times. If you do that, really simple, it will definitely increase your sales, because by setting up this bonus page, you have got exclusivity, which is, check out that book that I mentioned, which is a selling trigger. They're only getting the bonuses there. And you've also got, I can't even remember what it's called in the book, but when you read it, you'll be able to see, you've also got that thing that he talks about in the book where they're getting more. Okay, so bonuses give you not the illusion, I mean they are getting more and it's of value, but it definitely helps with your sales. So give that a go. I think you'll find that will work really well for you. Should you use bonuses? Yes, I recommend personally getting some sales first, because it's extra work. Once you're getting sales and once you're trying to maximize conversions, once you're getting a good few sales in, then this is a way that you can do it really easily. This is a slightly more advanced tactic, especially if you're beginning. If you're just starting out and you're like, Chris, that all makes sense, but I haven't even got a funnel set up, or I haven't even... Check out the link below for the ClickBank challenge. I think you really enjoy it, and it will give you a free email course with a video every day that will guide you through exactly what to do. So if you do what it says on the videos, the little tasks that I give you, you'll be making money. And you'll go through step by step in little bite-sized tasks, and you'll get up and running in 10 days or less. So I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching. I hope that helps, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, guys.